Here we are, folks. Yep. That's my fishing wire. Okay. Now this one's got an additional wire, which I'm probably going to do some work on. You can see that. This wire runs this little lamp right here, which I'm going to have to take off this old switch. And we'll be done. We'll unwrap our tape, because we're going to have to run this back down. Probably 2-3 wires at a time. First you do this 4-wire one, and then you'll probably have to put in this 4-wire one. And that's pretty thick, believe it or not. You'll need to tape these up. Kind of like this. One right after the other. Keep it as low profile. Try not to stack them all up in a big wad. Like maybe take these two, and those two, or whatever. Kind of same thing here. If the bigger the wad, the harder it is going to be to get down in there. Now, it just so happened that this thing did come off. I thought it was plastic, but apparently on this one it's metal. Don't even really need it. I mean, like I say, you got to fish all this stuff back in. Now I got my signal completely out, so I'm going to go in there and try to hunt me one down cheap. I doubt it's going to be that cheap. But anyway, yeah, we're still working on cooking. Oh, I'll go ahead and put something else in on this video concerning the HVAC. It's hard to see it, but you see this little purple wire here? That's your power supply to your control, and that was unplugged. So what I did was turn the key on, check my fuse against that. Key off, no power. Key on, power. Pull the fuse, no power. Put the fuse back in, has power. Right fuse, 25 amp heater fuse goes, is this little purple one here. I still got to hook my cable back up. And this one here is just a live wire. I'm not sure what it went to, but I don't have the factory radio. I had some add-on radio. It's just pretty crazy. Such fun, such fun. But hey, it's my first motorhome. It's almost like the first rodeo. God bless them, the 405. Gonna have to listen to a bulldozer now.